This is a tutorial for using the GPS mapping and tracking functions in BirdNest. When you're logged into BirdNest, you've got your facility tree on the left, and at the bottom of the facility tree, you'll see the word operators. If you click on that, it opens what we call the operator tree, but it's really a list of all users that are in your system. When it comes to the GPS tracking, it's operators that usually have that assigned. So we're going to go to Jose and click on Jose's name, which will open up Jose's operator portal in the center here, and it'll show recent activity. Then we're going to scroll over here to the right, and under the session box, we're going to click on Session Detail. What this will bring up is a detailed view of every session when Jose was logged in, and it shows the date, the time that he logged in, how long he was logged in until he logged out, the version of BirdNest on his mobile device. Over here you see the number of facilities, or in your case the areas within the plant that he sent data for during that session. The log opens up a detail for each of those 6 facilities that were sent and shows what time he pressed send on the mobile device to send the data for those 6 facilities, and how much data he sent for each one. And then you've got the GPS fixes. We attempt to fix every 15 minutes, and here we're getting 100% of the fixes. And tracking icon on the right here, the feet, are where we would see the track that Jose took that day. And so let's look at Tuesday the 5th, his 7:28 a.m. track. We click on the track icon, and this will take a few seconds. When I'm running a video, this runs a little bit slower, but you'll see that when you click on this icon on your computer, it will usually open up the map window with tracking within a couple seconds. Again, here we go. It takes a little bit longer when I'm running a video. Things are a bit slowed down. So, okay, so now we've got the map. This is the 7x7 GPS tracks that we got on the morning of 6/5, and you can see the different times and the path that Jose took. And you can zoom in here. The easiest way is to pick an area that you want to look at a little closer, and just go to the upper left corner of an area that would create a rectangle, and you basically point to the map, hold down your left mouse key, and then drag. It'll then give a pink square or rectangle, and whenever it's the area you want to zoom in on, let go, and the map zooms in to that area. And you can see where he was at different times. Actually, it looks like from 7:29 up here to 7:44, then back down here later. He went over to the right here, and you can really look at any part of this map, zoom in, and see exactly where he was at certain times. If you want to actually tie back the spot he was at when he pressed send on the phone, then back in session detail, you can click on this log icon, and that will show you the exact times. The when column is exactly when the operator pushed send on the phone for these areas. So you can tie back all the details of the track that the operator took and when they press send to submit the data for the different areas within the plant. Please call or email if we can provide any additional information or details of how the GPS tracking function works in BirdNest.